Look what it does, Kylan. Go get him and bring him here. He's leaving them to your Easter basket, baby. Uh-oh. Turn that light on now. Where is it? Where's your Easter basket?
Look around. Look around behind you. Whoa.
What is that, Boo-Boo?
My Easter basket.
What's in it?
Hey.
You want to get it down?
Let's put your eggs right here.
Cool, dude. You want to take it in the living room?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on.
And when open it right now.
Let's open it.
Yay. Whoa.
I know it. Is it Dora?
Yeah.
That's got colors. Colors and scissors and stickers. Open your basket.
Okay.
Can you get it? You need some help? You need Mama help you? Okay. Here, baby. Look, untie. Now. Now you do it. Oop! What is that?
A bunny rabbit.
Cool. What's it got in it? It's got tattoos in it.
Open it.
Look at the rest.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Candy.
Oh, what else you got in there?
A bunny rabbit.
Mhm.
What is this?
That's another Bubbles. I think you got one more thing in your basket.
Hannah Montana.
Ooh, a Hannah Montana CD.
Look.
Yay.
Woohoo. And I'll show you what I got in it. Look.
Oh.
Come here. Give Mama a shoo-shoo. Say Happy Easter. Give me shoo-shoo.
I'll show you what I got in it.
Oh.
I like that one. Small. Not big.
Give me shoo-shoo.
Over there.
Give me shoo-shoo.